Hello, in this tutorial we are going to learn about how to add multi-leaders in AutoCAD. So multi-leaders are used to add information in drawings. Multi-leaders are in annotation panel under home tab. This is the icon for multi-leaders, and with that you can see one drop down and we have multiple options regarding these leaders. Okay, or simply we can just go here in annotate tab and we have this complete panel regarding leaders. From here we can just add the leaders. So this is the icon for leaders. Okay, I will click here to activate this one, and here at command line it is prompting as specify leader arrowhead location. Okay, so I have to just specify the arrowhead location. Simply I want to add a leader over here, so I will click over here and I want to just give second point as this point. Now we can just add information here. Okay, in terms of text, so our arrowhead location is this. Okay, and I want to add information regarding this area, so simply I want to write here riser. Okay, and I will click outside here. Now multi-leader has been added here and we have just add the information as well. So this is how we can just add the multi-leader. Now let me just again add one more leader here, and this time I want to just put a arrowhead over here and second point somewhere here, and I want to just write here thread. Okay, so we have just added the information and the leader as well. Now we can just add a different style in leader as well. In this case I will just go here in view tab, and from here I will go here in tool palettes. Okay, now in tool palettes we have different kind of things like blocks and tables. From here we can just add these, and right now we need leader, so simply I will just right click over here. We have these kind of options here in this tool palette, and right now we need leaders, so I will just click over here to activate the leaders. In leaders we have imperial symbol as well as metric symbol, and right now I want to just add the imperial symbol. So you can see here first option here is leader with no text. So simply we can just add a leader. Okay, this arrow and this leader line without the text, and the second option same like this, leader with text. Okay, and the third option here is leader with circle, and the fourth option here is leader with box, and so on. So we will just look about this option leader with circle. Okay, so we can just add circle over here and we can add information in that circle. So I will click over here to activate this one. Then I want to just add arrowhead location. I want to just add over here, and then I will just give second point. Now it will open just edit attributes dialog box, and from here we can just add the information. And right now I want just a over here. Okay, and I will press OK. Now you can see here information has been added here in this circle, and this is how we can just add a leader with circle. Likewise we can just add this leader with box, hexagon, triangle. So right now I want to just add triangle over here. So you can just use all of these options with this information. So I will click over here to activate this one. I want to just give first point as this point, second as this point, and I want to just add information like A and B. Okay, and I will press OK. Now this information is also added here. Now in leader we can just make modification, we can just make own style regarding leader as well as we did in dimension. So we will look about these editing and creating own leader style in next tutorials. Hope you understand this session, that how we can just add the leader in AutoCAD. We'll see you in the next.